Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make your first program and how to download SQLite plugin. So first open your NetBeans IDE, as I have already opened my NetBeans IDE. Go to File, go to New Project, click on New Project and choose Java and Java application and click Next. And in next step you have to give the program name. So I'm going to name my program as project 123. Project 123. I'm going to give it a name. And if you want to save your project at a particular position, you can browse the file and save it on the desired place, but I'm gonna save it on the default place. And now uncheck the create main class and then press finish. So here you can see our project is created. Now I'm gonna show you how to download my SQLite plugin as a database. So open your Firefox Manager, Firefox browser, go to Firefox, click add-ons and in the search tab write SQLite and search, and you can see it will show SQLite Manager. You have to just go and download it. Click the download, and I have already downloaded the add-on, so it will be added to my Firefox browser. And then when you click Firefox once again, go to web developer, and here you can see SQLite Manager, which we are going to use as a standalone application for database, is added as an add-on. So click here and it will open a database. So it's a free database, and the biggest advantage of using SQLite is it's a standalone, so you can use it without the server also. It's free, of course. So go to database, create new database, give any name. So I'm gonna name it once again project 123 and click OK. And it is better to save your project in the file where you have already you have saved your NetBeans project. So I'm saving it where I have saved NetBeans project, my documents, NetBeans project, and this is the project you have just created. So click here and press OK. So it will be saved in your project folder. Now you want to make some new table, so just go right click tables, create a table, and you can see it will show this new window. You just have to give the name. First of all, we have to create a primary key or the column name which is used to identify each and every case individually. So we are going to say employee ID. We can identify every employee by its individual employee ID, and the data type employee ID contained will be integer. Now we are going to create his name, and data type will be char, then surname, there is also char, age, it's an integer, and so on. Whatever attributes you want to give to the table or particular employee, or attributes like his department, his division, his blood group, his address, you can add to the table anything. And because this is unique, we are going to click employee ID as a primary key here and click OK. And because the table cannot be null, so you can choose the value 1. Okay, I forgot to give the name of the table, so I will give the table name as employee info. This is the table name, and click OK. And it will ask you whether you want to make a table. This is the query. This is the simple way of, by writing the query, you can also make same table, and click OK, and it will produce a simple table. When you can go to structure, you can edit these names, their type, their values, their variables from here. You can also browse the structure, go to browse and structure and edit values. No record selected, it says. So add, we are going to give the employee ID 1, name Paul, surname Martin, and suppose his age is 22, and click OK. And you can see this data is saved here in the table. So in the same way, you can add so many values here and make a table. So guys, I think that's all for this video. I will show you how to connect NetBeans project with the database in the next video. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and goodbye for now.